Welcome to Spartan Equipment. Today I want to talk about our updated professional series mini skid steer brush cutter. So this unit has been redesigned from the ground up. You can see we've gusseted it with heavier gussings. We put a heavier brush rack on the front of it to push material over with it. The blade carrier has been beefed up. The blades are AR 400 5/8 thick, double beveled on both sides, so you can cut in either direction with this unit. And it's got two blades under it on the blade carrier. The unit right now is set up with the Toro Dingo Universal, what we call the Universal Interface. However, we offer it with the Bobcat MT interface, and we're even offering this one with the full-size skid steer interface. For limited, smaller, older skid steers that have maybe limited hydraulic flow. This unit is 48 inches wide, and the drive motor options start standard at 10 to 15 gallon a minute flow. Then we have another two motor options, one from 14 to 20 gallon a minute and another one from 16 to 26 gallon a minute. So you'll see those options on our website that you can drop down and select prior to carting out. But I did want to make a point of that because we have changed the whole motor and gearbox setup as well on this, and we're going to show you images as I describe on this. So the gearbox is directly coupled to the hydraulic motor. So it's a Parker hydraulic motor that directly couples to the Omni gearbox. It's a 51 horsepower rated Omni gearbox. It's a 90-degree gearbox with a heavier duty splined output shaft that the blade carrier hooks up onto, and you can see how heavy the blades are. And the headache rack, again, it's for pushing over material. You have the open front, the hydraulic hoses with D-rings on both sides, depending on which side your auxiliary hydraulic couplings are, so you can route the hoses through either side of the D-ring. The fittings are standard with the hoses. They're half-inch flat-face couplers. So most modern skid steers, mini skid steers, all use that. So we also have on this unit, upgraded from our other unit, replaceable side skid shoes. This is a huge improvement so that you don't wear your skid rails out on the right and left side. So you can easily order those from us down the road if and when they wear out, so that you can just unbolt them and then bolt new side skid shoes as well. And you can see from the design, the fit and finish, this is one of our newest designs. Very excited about getting this out to the public. It's going to cut up to 4-inch tree material very conservatively, and you'll cover a lot of ground with one of these, especially in tight areas. It's an excellent piece. Access to the motor and the gearbox is very easy. There's 4 bolts that hold the protective hood or cover down on it. So if you need to access that area, it's easy to lift it off. So on the front of the hood, we have a circular cutout that we laser cut so that you have access to the blade carrier, the blade bolts actually. There's 3 of them that hold each blade on. There's 2 blades, but that makes the access to get your wrench or impact gun in there easy, right through that cutout, so that you can knock those bolts loose and then replace your blades easily. There is also equipped an H valve on this unit, which you'll see on the hydraulic hoses. And the reason we put that in there is for pressure relief and one-way flow direction only. So you cannot reverse the blade carrier on the fly. We don't permit you to do that because you can do catastrophic damage to the output shaft or the blade carrier. So it'll only go in one direction. And then when you want to use the other direction, to use the other side of the blade so you can get the benefit of wearing both sides of your blades, you simply disconnect the hydraulic hoses, reverse and flip them, reconnect them, which will in turn change the flow so that you can counter rotate, cut, and get the blade wear out of the other side. So check us out online. You can order these direct from us. They're made in the United States with grade 50 American steel. We ship all over the United States, LTL ground. Usually it'll ship within 1 to 3 days. We stock them for all the different types. So go and shop online at SpartanEquipment.com. Like and subscribe our channel. We're constantly updating you and giving you educational material to help benefit all the different job applications that you guys might have out there. But thanks again for spending a few minutes with us, and we hope to hear from you soon.